Good evening, sir. I'm Rafael Corpus from 3ARB16, and this is my report from Therapeutic Community Modality. A therapeutic community is a structured residential approach to rehabilitation where the community itself becomes the main tool for healing and change. It is commonly used for individuals with substance use disorder, behavioral issues, or mental health challenges. Members live together and help one another grow through shared responsibility, mutual support, and focus on positive behavior. Yung pagkakaintindi ko dito sila, parang yung community, kailangan nila magtulong-tulungan para mapaayos yung isang tao na merong sakit sa utak, para matulungan nila tong maging maayos, sir. Tas nagtutulong-tulong sila para mabago yung tao na yun, na para mapagaling nila, sir. TC TCMP aims to help achieve personal recovery, freeing themselves from addiction or destructive behaviors, reintegrate into society, becoming responsible, productive, and law-abiding citizen, developing life skills such as discipline, responsibility, communication, and decision making, build positive values, honesty, accountability, mutual respect, and cooperation, prevent relapse. Pagkakaintindi ko naman dito, sir, sir, parang tinutulungan nila yung PDL na maalis siya sa pagiging addict, tas tinatanggal nila yung pagiging destructive behavior na gumawa ng mali, at tinuturuan nila sila na sumunod sa law, yung citizen na yun, at tinutulungan nila sir na ma-improve niya yung skill niya, yung discipline niya, sir. Tas tinutulungan din nila maging honest, matutong makipagsalamuha sa iba at rumispeto sa iba. The community is the method helping happens through active participation in the community where peers serve as role models and agent of change. Self-help and mutual help are central. Each member is both a learner, a teacher. Responsibility, accountability, and discipline are key for personal growth. Kakaintindi ko dito, sir, parang tinutulungan ng mga tao yung PDL na mapaayos yung ugali nila, sir, tas hindi na sila gumawa ng masama. Parang baguhin sila ng sir, tas yun, sir, babaguhin sila nun, tas yung mental behavior nila tutulungan maayos, tas tutulungan silang gumawa ng mabuti, sir, at hindi lang gumawa ng masama. Community as the agent change, peers influence, and support one another. Structured daily routine includes work, therapy session, education, and recreation. Yung pagkakaintindi ko naman dito, sir, parang tinutulungan nila maghanap ng trabaho, tas tinutulungan nila makapag-aral at makapagtapos para makapaghanap ng maayos na trabaho. Value formation, honesty, respect, cooperation, and accountability. Dito naman, sir, sa tinuturuan nila maging yung tinuturuan nilang hindi magsinungaling at matutong rumispeto sa holistic development, focus on behavior and emotional, social, and spiritual growth. Dito naman, sir, tinuturuan nila nakapokus sila sa emotional nung PDL na yon, nung tao na yun, para mapaayos siya at hindi na siya gumawa ng masama. Wait lang. Develop life skills such as discipline, responsibility, communication, and decision making. Build positive values, prevent relapse. Yung sa relapse naman, sir, parang tinuturuan nila na hindi niya nabalikan yun yung dati niyang ginagawa.